If you work in a job or you're involved in activities where you're on your feet all day, you know your feet and your body can really begin to feel it. Joining us now is podiatrist Dr. Saymeh. He is with Go Feet Podiatry in Linwood, Hamilton, and Mays Landing. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
So tell us what happens when people are on their feet all day, what kinds of problems they experience.
So the major issue that we seem to deal with is something called plantar fasciitis.
And what is that?
And plantar fasciitis is essentially the thickness of the plantar fascial band. The plantar fascial band runs on the bottom of someone's foot. It attaches from the heel bone all the way to the front portion of the foot. And essentially what happens is you get increased inflammation and swelling in the area near the heel, and that causes you a significant amount of pain when you're walking on it.
So if you're in a job, when you're standing on your feet, that really can begin to ache. And is it a common problem?
It is a common problem. It's really an overuse injury. So if you're constantly on your feet, you're going to experience that. Typically, you experience the pain, especially right out of bed in the morning, or if you're resting in a car and you take that first step out of the car, that really also causes you a lot of pain.
Mostly in the heel area.
Correct.
And so what are some ways to treat it?
So some ways to treat it include anti-inflammatory medications, physical therapy, stretching on a daily basis, corticosteroid injections. Those are the biggest ways to treat it. We also, another large way to treat it is MLS laser therapy. And what that is that treats any strains, any inflammation in the musculoskeletal portion of our bodies.
Is there any way to prevent plantar fasciitis?
There is. So orthotics are a huge way to prevent plantar fasciitis. It's important to get custom molded orthotics for yourself if you're constantly on your feet, on a daily basis.
And also stretch.
And stretching.
All right, very good. Thank you so much, Dr. Saymeh of Go Feet Podiatry in Linwood, Mays Landing, and Hamilton. I'm Robin Stoloff, and you're living well.